If you're tired of grinding on Instagram, posting every day, chasing views, only for your content to die in 24 to 48 hours, this video is for you. And the crazy part, most people only learn how to use this platform after paying for expensive courses. But I'm going to break down the system for free in this video. The biggest mistake people make on Pinterest is treating it like Instagram. Pinterest is not just a social media platform. It's a search engine, which means you don't win by posting more. You win by setting things up properly. The first thing you want to do is create a business account. So you want to head over to Pinterest, create an account, and you head over to settings. You go to account management, and you're going to see convert to a business account. In this case, this is already a business account. That's why you can see convert to a personal account. The reason why you're converting to a business account is not because you're a business, but because this unlocked analytics. And analytics is what turns Pinterest into a predictable system instead of guesswork. Now, the next thing is your profile setup. Now, you want to set up your profile based on your niche. So, for example, if your niche is Black women who want to grow their natural hair using natural products, your profile should be very clear. For example, the name could be Natural Hair Growth Tips for Black Women, and your bio could be helping women grow healthy hair using simple routines and natural products. You also want to use a photo that genuinely represents what you want your account or your Pinterest to reflect. So I've added an image right here. Another thing I can do is just add a few things like natural hair growth tips, effective styling ideas, and product routines designed for Black women looking to retain length and grow healthy hair naturally. So this clarity is what helps Pinterest understand who to show your content to. Now, Pinterest doesn't push content because it's viral. It pushes content because it matches what people are actively searching for. Now, every strategy on Pinterest starts with the search bar. When I type something in, Pinterest autocomplete is showing me real searches from real people. You can see all of this words that bubbles at the top. They are ideas with demand already built in. Now, you don't just find keywords, you store them. One list, one document. So you want to go ahead and just put them in a document. I have jotted down quite a number of this. Now, this is what makes content creation fast instead of stressful. Now, next thing is to get Pinterest ideas that you're going to be pinning about using the keyword that you've already gotten under your niche. Now, I'm going to head into ChatGPT and I'm going to say, you are my Pinterest pin expert. My Pinterest platform is about natural hair growth tips for Black women. And I would like to create pins within that niche so that I can use to promote my affiliate products as well. I need some pin ideas that revolve around the below keywords. As these keywords, I found them on Pinterest and it seems like they already have demand that come with it. Give me well-crafted pin ideas that contain one or more of these keywords. I pasted the keywords here that I copied from my Word document. Give me 10 well-crafted pin ideas that are intriguing enough for people to click. And I'm going to click on enter. And now we have all of these pin ideas. Of course, if you want more, you can tell ChatGPT, give me 20 more, give me 30 more, give me 40 more. The next thing you want to do, of course, is to have your affiliate product handy. For this, I'm going to be using the Amazon. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to search for an affiliate product that I'm going to be promoting. So the first one is 4C hair growth tips that actually work. And I can just simply type 4C hair growth. So I'm seeing this Batana oil. If, for example, you don't have a product in mind and you are just checking out Amazon.com, here are a few things that you should look out for or for choosing a product. One of the things you want to look at is the ratings number. So a product that has like 4.7 out of 5, 4.8, 4.9, or even 5.0 is an indication that a lot of people are recommending this product. This is where you're going to get your affiliate link. So I'll click on this and I'm going to copy this link right here. Now I'm heading back to ChatGPT, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a blog post. And that is what makes this super easy. So right now I'm saying, I love this. Now give me a blog post, a written blog post on the first one that says 4C hair growth tips that actually work, in brackets, my 6-month journey results. include the keywords, the angle, the pin hook text, and try to make it as relatable as possible to my ideal viewer. I'm trying to use this blog post to naturally recommend an affiliate product on Amazon. The product name is Batana Oil for Hair Growth, and I'm going to be adding the affiliate link below. Please do not try to make the whole blog post salesy. The whole essence is to give a whole lot of value first and to naturally recommend the product as a go-to product to help them grow their hair nicely. You could also say really good things about the product. Here are some key highlights of the product that you could also include in the blog post. So I'm adding the affiliate link here and I can go ahead and put the highlights. How am I going to get the highlights? I'll head back to Amazon and I'm going to just copy this. I'll write highlights over here. And just like that, ChatGPT is going ahead to create a whole blog. Now, what you want to do is you want to have a place that you can put or upload your blog post. For the purpose of this video, we're going to be leveraging Medium. And I'm going to head over to medium.com. You want to sign up. It's a super free platform. Once you sign in, you want to go ahead and click write. And here is where we're going to add our blog post. Now, I'm going to click on copy. I'll head back to Medium and I'll paste them here. And I'm just going to go ahead and do a little bit of edits. I'm still editing it and I've gotten to the point where Batana Oil is being introduced. To make it very easier to improve your conversions, we can attach a link. I just highlighted it and this will pop up. You attach a link, which is your affiliate link. So whenever they just click on it, it's going to take them straight to your affiliate product on Amazon. So here is where the link is introduced. If you do not want to add the Amazon link directly, you can as well just copy it and you just hyperlink it. But I'm going to leave it like that so they are actually aware it's an affiliate link. So I've actually finished editing. To make your story even more believable, you may want to add pictures, as pictures can also help improve conviction. So I added an image here, and once I'm done, I'm going to hit publish. Now, once you have published your blog post wherever you want to, the next thing is to create a pin. Let me show you how simple this actually is. You want to go ahead and open Canva. And in Canva, you want to search for a Pinterest pin template. I would suggest you search something really closely to what you are already talking about or your niche. For example, I could say natural hair growth Pinterest pin, and you can see a lot of Pinterest pins that represent that. And I can just click on this here. So if you click on it, you're going to see other similar templates like it. So I'm going to use this. So once you choose the Pinterest template, you want to go ahead and add a headline. In this case, we already have our headline here and I'm just going to edit that. I'll move it up a little bit and ensure that this black background covers it rightly. I'll take this out and I'm going to go to elements and search long black woman hair. So I'm going to use this one and I'm bringing it over here. And you can see this is looking really nice. And in this case, we don't even need that black rectangle. So we can just as well take it out. So I'll click on position and I'm going to take out the rectangle here. And once you are done creating your pin, you want to go ahead and download it. Now, you don't just create one pin and stop. What you want to do is you can create multiple pins pointing to the same idea. Different angles, but same topic. For example, you could say 4 hair growth tips that actually work. You could also say something like, if you have 4C hair, here's how to grow it fast. Pinterest actually prefers this because it gets more data to work with. And now you want to create your pin. So you upload the pin that you already created in Canva. You add your title. For the description, I'm saying give me a strong SEO rich description for the Pinterest pin. And ChatGPT is just going to go ahead and do that. I'm just going to copy the first paragraph because we don't need to make it so much. For the link, we're going to add a Medium link. So here's where we're going to copy the link and we're going to post it here. You want to add tags as that will also help Pinterest understand what your pin is about better. So I can say natural hair, black woman hairstyle. I can say hair growth. I can say natural hair care and all of that. Now, instead of posting every day manually, you schedule your pins at a later date and it will let Pinterest distribute your pins over time. Now, this is where the burnout disappears. You work once and the platform keeps working. So I can just set it to tomorrow by 12 p.m. and I'm going to click schedule. So on Instagram, content expires. On Pinterest, content stacks. pins you create today can still bring traffic months from now. That is why this works so well for people who don't want to be online all day. Now, for the Amazon affiliate program, it is mostly usually physical products you are going to be affiliating for. But if you want to leverage on digital products, comment the word Pinterest and I'm going to do a special video showing you how you can use the same strategy to leverage digital products. Ciao.